Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Dialog Health account. First of all, know what is Dialog Health. Dialog Health is a software platform designed to facilitate communication between healthcare providers and patients. Now, open your web browser and navigate to Dialog Health account. You can do this by typing Dialog Health login. Now, click on login page. After that, you will be directed to login page of Dialog Health. Enter your username and your password, then click on login. Make sure you already have an account to Dialog Health to successfully log in. If you do not remember your password, click on forgot password to recover it. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into Dialog Health account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials.